Izindaba zehora lesikhombisa sibethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli inazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Siyaziqenya ngeklasi ka-2024 basebenzile ebunzimeni.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwarube umemezela ngokusemthethweni imiphumela kamatikuletsheni emcimbini obanjelwe eFellens eGoli.
And I'm not able to say definitively if in fact these results have been leaked, because we have enlisted the services of the Hawks and state security.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwarube useqinisekisile ukuthi ithimba lama-Hawks liphenya izinsolo zokuputshuka kwemiphumela ka-matric ngaphambi kokushicilelwa kwayo ngokusemthethweni kusasa.
Did you send a picture that night? Uthumele umfanekiso wakho ke ngoba busuku?
Ayanduthumelanga.
Siqale ngokusemthethweni isigcawu esiphenya ngeinsolo zokuhlukumeza eyibhekiswe kumengameli wamajaji esifundazweni i-Eastern Cape uSelby Mbenenge. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele eindabeni zakusifika kamalanga noxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanga lelimhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ke mbukeli kusuhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihla. Ake sibheke ke ukuthi ngabe namhlanje sikuphathele ziphi. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwarube umemezela ngokusemthethweni imiphumela kamatikuletsheni emcimbini obanjelwe eFellens eGoli. Ake sixoshe bukhoma ke mbukeli inkulumo yakhe.
The most improved province. It has surged by 8.3% from last year. No-fee schools improved their pass rate from 81% last year to 85.8% in 2024. This too, guests and colleagues and ladies and gentlemen, is another sign that our schooling system is maturing. Our education districts have also made us very proud, and that's why we've got our district directors here in the room today, by improving on their performance from last year. Johannesburg West is the top performing education district with the pass rates. You won't hear the pass rates. Johannesburg West has received 97% pass rates. And it is followed by Fezile Dabi Education District in the Free State at 93.5%. And it is followed by Umkhanyakude Education District in KZN at 92.8%. And now, guess it's even more reason for us to smile is the fact that 73 out of the 75 districts have obtained a pass mark higher than 80%. Ladies and gentlemen, our district directors deserve our praise and our thanks for the incredible work that they've been doing. You've played and continue to play a critical role in driving excellence in your respective districts. I must also single out the DG who's been
Awuzamnandi ke lezo ndaba lapha eJohannesburg West kuthiwa hayi impela idistrict yakhona ihambe phambili. Mbukeli ngaphambi ukuthi ke ungqongqoshe ethule imphumela ukeke waqinisekisa ke nokuthi ithimba lama-Hawks liphenya ke izinsolo lapho kuthiwa kwaputshuka khona iphepha ngaphambi kokuthi ke kushicilelwe ama-matric results ngokusemthethweni kusasa.
To us about 48 hours ago that there is a potential breach in our information. And what that means is, and I need to clarify, that there are multiple steps in the putting and compiling together of the matric results. The breach seems to have happened only at the tail end that pertains to the verified results that have already been finalized. The reason why I make that distinction clear is so that it can be clear to everybody that we are talking about the results themselves that very well may have been leaked. And I'm not able to say definitively if in fact these results have been leaked, because we have enlisted the services of the Hawks and state security.
Uhlaka olubhekele izinga lemphumela kaMatikuletsheni uMalusi lugunyaza ukuba ikhishwe imphumela kaMatikuletsheni. Kusenjalo ke lolu hlaka luzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngezigameko ezibandakanya udaba lwezikhungo engagunyaziwe ezibhalisa abafundi ivivinyo, kanye ke futhi nodaba lokuvunyelwa kwabafundi kuba babhale yize bebengakubhaliselanga ukubhala ivivinyo.
uMalusi uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngezinye izinto ezibandakanya ukungavunyelwa kwezingane ukuba ibhale yize zazibhalisele ukubhala, kanye namakolisha ayimela ye128 atholakale ukuthi ayathinteke ezenzweni zokukopela. Lesi sikhungo esibhekela ubuqotho bezivinyo kaMatikuletsheni siphinde saveza ukuthi iMpumalanga kanye neKwaZulu-Natal yizona izifundazwe ezivele phambili odabeni lokukopela.
Umalusi remains seriously concerned that KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga are once again at the top of the list, with 195 and 74 implicated candidates respectively.
Yize kukhona okubonakalile okungalungile, Malusi ukugunyazile ukuba imphumela ikhishwe.
There were no systemic irregularities reported that might have compromised the overall credibility and integrity of the November 2024 National Senior Certificate Examinations administered by the DBE.
Akuzange kube khona ukuphucuka kwamaphepha kule minyaka emine eyedlule.
We appreciate the words from Umalusi, who have said that we have conducted a good exam. They've highlighted areas of concern which we have already been attending to as a department in terms of the irregularities that they are speaking about and the instructions to block results that we are going to do.
Umalusi unxuse umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo ukuba uphenye ngensolo zokudayiswa kwemphumela kaMatikuletsheni.
Isithangami esiqaphe ukuyiphatha kwabehluleli iJudicial Conduct Tribunal namhlanje siqalise ngohlelo lwesigcawu sokulalela ngeinsolo ezibhekene nomengameli wamajaji eEastern Cape, ijaji uSelby Mbenenge. Insolo ngejaji uMbenenge zafakwa kulesi sithangami ongunobhala wakhe ehhovisi uAndiswa Mengo.
Phela iminyaka emibili lesi sikhalo seyidluliselwa phambi kwalesi sithangami esiqaphe ukuyiphatha kwabehluleli njengoba namhlanje udaba beselibekwe eThebeni. Phakathi konyaka u2021 kuya ku2022 ijaji uMbenenge lisola ngokuthi lalizicubuzela ngendlela eziphansi ngamaganyana ahambisana nemikhuba yezocansi kongunobhala walo ehhovisi uAndiswa Mengo, ohola uhlelo lofakazi wendlalele ukuhlala kwesigcawu ngalokho oqukethwe ummangali.
The complainant asserts that she endured sexual harassment in multiple forms, including the receipt of sexually suggestive messages through social media, and that will be on the platform WhatsApp, inappropriate comments and gestures regarding her physical appearance made in person while at court, and a specific incident within the Judge President's office during which he made sexual remarks and gestures of a similarly inappropriate nature.
Okunguye ofake isikhalo uAndiswa Mengo ubesebizelwa phambi kwesigcawu ngenhloso kwethula uhlangothi lwakhe nangokulandisa ngeinkulumo zokuxhumana phakathi kwabo nejaji uMbenenge okunye kwakho kwaqhubeka ngemiyalezo ngomakhalekhukhwini.
Did you send a picture that night?
Uthumele umfanekiso wakho ke ngoba busuku?
Andithumelanga. Phambi kobathi uyadlala uthe hayi, kidding. Ukuza ke ngoku kwimpendulo yalombuzo wakho ndiphendule ngolahlobo kuba ndiye ndaqonda ke ngokuba uyayibona ngokuba into iyangapi, uyandiunderstand uba andifuna umthumelela le picture.
uAndiswa Mengo uzoqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe kusasa kulesi sithangami.
Yokwamanje ke sathi nje ke qunga ngapha ngaseyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
we started calling for assistance or for help, actually begging for help before there was even one person who died.
Luqale ngokusemthethweni namhlanje uhlelo likahulumeni lokuhlenga abamba ngokungemthetho emayini yase Stilfontein Northwest. siphinde sikubingelele sigamukele mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube useyimemezele ngokusemthethweni imiphumela kamatikuletsheni emcimbini obanjelwe eFelens eGoli kanti iklasi lika 2024 liphase ngo87.3 wamapercent. Khumbula ke mbukeli kusilezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo nje uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Njengamanje ke mbukeli sixhumana nentatheli ye-SABC uCalvin wakwaDludla olapha ya emcimbini ke wokumenyezelwa kwemiphumela kamatikuletsheni. Cabisa asikubingelele sikamukele indabeni zakusihlwa. Ingabe bathini nje abafundi abaphumelele ngamalengiso hayi nesiqiniseko sokuthi akunjabulo.
Asibingelele noxolo sibingelele nombukeli weindaba ze-SABC esekhaya njengoba ke usho injabulo ke iphezulu la esikhona eFelens njengoba ke ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo ke uSivuye Gwahube ubememezela ke imphumela yabafundi abebebhala ivivinyo zabo ngonyaka owedlule bakhona ke abavela ke ezingxenyeni ezithile ithinta ke umkhakha wemfundo abavela ke isifundazweni iEastern Cape uzokhumbula ke ukuthi iEastern Cape ke abasematheni noxolo ngokungenzi kahle kodwa ke engathi ke iyazama ukuthuthuka ake ngethule ke ubaba uThembani okuyena ke ovela ke eminyangweni wezemfundo esifundazweni emhlonishwa sikubingelele sikwamukele endabeni zosuku siyibonile imphumela siyabona ukuthi ke isifundazwe Eastern Cape silele isibili uma ngabe usuka ezantsi kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi ke ikhona inqubekela phambili ekhona iprogress kuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngemphumela ikakhulukazi yasesifundazweni Eastern Cape
umsasazi mandibulele sibulela kakhulu umsasazi bandiyithethe yokuba impuma koloni ngohlobo ethe yaqhuba ngalo siqhabela izandla sonwabile msasazi siyazamkela ezi ziphumo kuba phaya ekuqalekeni konyaka besizibekele umgomo ka-85%. Okokuqala ke siwenzile lo mgomo. We're very excited about that because thina xa sijonge umsebenzi wezemfundo sijonga okokuqala thina we are competing first and most importantly with ourselves, not with anybody else. So xa besizibekela la mgomo ka-5% besiyenza loo nto kuba si-understanda i-system of education, si-understanda the contextual factors of the province of the Eastern Cape. Siyazazi ke okokuba xa sisebenze kakhulu sifanele okokuba sibe sindawuni nangokweziphumo. So siyazamkela msasazi i-results ezisibeka ngqo ku-85% because 84.9% is 85%. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Manje ngizokuthula ke umkhoseli Dubula ovela kwezinye inyunyana baba sikubingelele nje kafishane ngenxa yesikhathi sicela usichazele ukuthi inyunyana iphawula yithini ngale imphumela.
Masibonge Kelvin, sibonge nakubaphulaphuli bebonke. Okokuqala masivuyisane nabo bonke abantwana bathe baphumelele. Sivuyisane nazo zonke itishale ezenze umsebenzi ongaka because itishale isemva kwayo yonke lento. Asizoyifihla into okubana nathi sina imincili. We are so excited because the efforts of the teachers zingona zibonakalayo ngoku. Ebezingalali sisebenza 7 days, sisebenza na extra hours. Nansi imiphumela iziveza ngo u84.4% imiphumela yonyaka wonke, that is ilizwe lilonke. Ngihle lonto from 82.9 sibona into ebheka phezulu uba kuyakhulu. Sinethemba ke ngoba khonto inzima ngathi ku maintainer into ubana kulo unyaka siya kuwo the efforts will be more to maintain kululu khula kodwa uzibeka kule ndawo ubukuyo kunzima kakhulu. Sisivunda ukuthi ke siyipewu iunion yetishala sisithi ke khumu nakwezi families zinetishala ezithe zasweleka kwi-marking centers kodwa ke sithi uThixo uyabona nezinhlizweni zezo families zonke.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga mbukeli njengoba ngisho ukuthi labo bavela emkhakheni ke eyehlukene yezemfundo ke la eNingizimu Afrika ngisho ngaphambi ukuthi ingoqo ukuthi isifundazwe iFree State isona esiqwaqwade emakhanda naxolo sathola ke u91.0% landelwa isifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal kwalandela ke iGauteng isifundazwe ke esivale eMsileni noxolo isifundazwe iNorthern Cape njengoba sengishilo sithola u84.2% ukusuka eMsileni Eastern Cape impumalanga neLimpopo noxolo njengamanje ke angithathe intambo ngibuyisele kuwe e-studio e-Auckland Park eGoli.
Sibonge kakhulu ke kucebisa ngaleyo mphumela kamatikuletsheni asethe wasinikeza yona. Kusanjalo ke mbukeli izikole ezimele ngaphansi kwe-IEB zona ke ziphumelele ngamaphesenti angu-98.47. Leli ke izinga eliphezulu lokuphumelela kwabafundi bakamatikuletsheni kule minyaka emihlanu edlule. Intatheli ke ze-SABC zihambele kulezi indawo ukuzwa kabanzi ke ngale mphumela.
eGauteng isikole ese-Bedford View isaheti lapho kunabafundi abaphase ngamalengiso kukhona umfundi othole u100% esifundeni iMaths. Uthi ukubhala izivivinyo zakhe bekulula kakhulu ngoba kudala abanentshisekelo yezibalo.
Yeah, I did get 100 for math. I think it mainly stemmed from my love for the subject. I've always loved math as a subject, and the work, it came easily, it came nicely. The stuff that got very difficult, it was all because of our teachers who helped us, especially our HOD of math. He pushed me through it and he really helped me develop that passion for the subject.
You can do it. I'd probably say there's going to be times where you might not do as well as you think, or you feel the pressure, you start stressing, but you can do it. If you put your mind to something, you can achieve it. You have that power in you.
KwaZulu Natal isikole eCrawford kuphumelele bonke abafundi kanti uthishanhloko waso uthi lokhu kwenzeke ngokubambisana. Kanti abafundi bona bayayijabulela kakhulu imphumela yabo.
Was a very scary journey towards the end, but I'm grateful that I attended Crawford, Alusha, and all my teachers were there every step of the way to support me and help me consistently learn and understand.
eWestern Cape isikole Redam House eSeconstantia eKapa abafundi baso baphase ngamalengiso bathola o-distinction abawu-288 ebafundini abangu-108.
A lot of my teachers I had really close connections with, and they would always happy to answer my questions and happy to help me all the time. It was just really nice having people that cared about me and would message me way after school hours just to see if I was coping.
Isikhulu se-IEB uConfidence Degole uthi le mphumela ikhombisa ukuzikhandla kwalezi izikole.
Luqale ngokusemthethweni namhlanje uhlelo lukahulumeni lokuhlenga abamba ngokungemthetho emayini yaseStilfontein eNorthwest.
Umzamo wokuhlenga waqalwa umphakathi ngomfumfu nyakenye ukutakula abamba ngokungemthetho abangaphansi emathunjini omhlaba. Lolu hlelo kwesalisa ezandleni zikahulumeni. Umphakathi ke wakwazi ukukhipha abangama-35 kanye nezidumbu eziyishumi. Inhlangano emakhuwa kanye nabaholi bomphakathi basola uhulumeni ngokushona kwabantu nabathi bangaphezulu kwekhulu.
The mine owners and the police did was to basically dismantle the police system, and that meant for 13 days these miners did not have food, did not have water, did not have medication.
Abanye ke bathi ngabe abashonanga abantu kuba uhulumeni wangenelela ngokusheshsha.
We started calling for assistance or for help, actually begging for help before there was even one person who died. But the response that we got was that the state was actually intending to smoke these people out.
Imndeni nayo isola uhulumeni.
We've been knocking in many doors, asking and pleading with them that, can you please assist us?
Abaholi bomphakathi bazichithileke izinsolo ezithi abanye abamba ngokungemthetho bashona emva kokuhlaselwa emathunjini omhlaba.
Up to so far, all of them we believe they've died of starvation. The post-mortem that has been done to the dead bodies that are already on the surface proves that people died of starvation.
iDMRE kanye nomkhandlo wokugambi wayo sebeqinisekisa ukuthi bazokhokha izindleko zokuzama ukutakula abangaphansi emathunjini omhlaba.
Sekwayintokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangana njengoba sithi ayaqhubeka amathuba amakhulu ke emvula kakhulukazi engxenyeni esenyakatho yongena eGauteng eMpumalanga siyongena phansi lapha kwaZulu Natal la silindele khona ukuthi ke amathuba abe makhulu kakhulu ke uyongena lapha eMthatha sisho sithi mawubheka ngapha ngaseNtshonalanga lingaqhubeka nokubalela kuzo zonke indawo kanti ke mahlabela phambili siyobheka ukusunula kusasa sibalele nje kuzo zonke indawo eseNtshonalanga aqhubekele amathuba athanda ukuba makhulu ogune lingaseningizimu mancane nje ngaphambi komsingo obandayo eKapa uyongena lapha ikakhulukazi koGqabeha kanjalo nasengxenyeni ezilapha koMthatha abe mancane ke kodwa amathuba emvula esingazilindele ezingaba lapha zelokuduma ikakhulukazi engxenyeni esenkabeni yongena eGauteng eMpumalanga kwaZulu Natal phansi amaphaphi ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ke ezingasenyakatho kanti ke angaqhubeka bemakhulu mawungena eMessina iSouth African Weather Service iyaqhubeka iyasikhipha lesixexo semvula esithanda ukuba namandla isigaba sesihlanu mawungena ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esenyakatho uyongena ikakhulukazi ke eningizimu kwaZulu Natal ngingathanda kube ukuthi kube isigaba sesibili semvula ezingaphelezela ukuduma uyongena eMthatha kanjalo nalapha koBloemfontein sisho sithi ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka ikakhulukazi ke osukwini lakusasa isimo esigabhebhesa umlilo mawungena engxenyeni ke esenkabeni eNtshonalanga sihambe siyobheka amazinga aphansi ebusuku banamhlanje kufika kusasa empondo zankomo kuyabanda nje lapha kuSutherland nokho akufani kodwa mawungena koApindini nasendaweni ezingasogwini lapha kwaZulu Natal lingafuthumala nje uyongena koRichards Bay eGauteng libe phakathi kanti ke lifuthumala futhi mawungena lapha koMessina sihlabele phambili siyobheka amazinga ngokuphamba enhlamvelanga kusasa sisho sithi lifuthumala kuzo zonke indawo ezingapha eNtshonalanga kodwa kuyashisa mawungena kakhulukazi lapha koApindini sihambe siyongena phansi lapha eStern Cape ngathanda nje ukufuthumala ngamandla liya ngokushisa mawungena kwaZulu Natal lithanda ukushisa futhi mawungena ke engxenyeni esenkabeni lifuthumala mawungena eGauteng kanjalo naseMpumalanga sisho sithi noma ungena ke engxenyeni esenyakatho lapha koMessina koLephalale lingathanda nje ukufuthumala kamnandi ngivumayele ngisho ukugcwala umlomo ukuthi ke ngiyayithatha indaba bene obusuku obuhle.
Mbukeli sikushiya ke nemfanekiso yabafundi labo abaphase ngamalengiso ke imfanekiso le iyabaveza ke sebethola lokho ngokwabo imqamwelo sibonga kakhulu sihlanganyele kanye nani umsale kahle.